Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Yuveth wireless CarPlay auto adapter. This is for any car that has wired CarPlay. This converts it to wireless CarPlay. It'll work with most models 2017 and forward, and this is the newest, latest version from Yuveth, the 2023 version, so it's got the latest technology built into it to work great. We're gonna open it up and take a look at it. This is the adapter. It is tiny. It's possibly, I think this is the smallest wireless CarPlay adapter I've seen. I mean, it's tiny. My hands are small, and that is so tiny. It looks almost like a little tiny mouse. Is kind of what it looks like. That's kind of the shape of it. And you can see this would be considered the back. And you've got that USB Type-C connector there. That's what you're going to connect to connect it to your wired CarPlay USB or USB-C. And you've got the Yuveth logo, just the name right there, very simple. You've also got what I'm going to assume is probably a little LED indicator here. And then right here you've got a little button. I'm not 100% sure, that might be a reset button. I have to read the instructions to find out exactly what that does. And then you have the bottom here. You can see this is a model SMT-V06. And yeah, very small, very tiny. Amazing how small it is. Let's take a look at what else comes in the box. And here you go. It's cool. They give you everything you're going to need to get this going. You've got, of course, your user manual that will explain how everything works and what everything is and all that good stuff, how you connect it. Most of the really good CarPlay adapters, there's not a whole lot to do. It's pretty plug and play and simple. Yeah, you can see that LED is that little dot on the top. All your questions and answers there. And then you get two cables. You've got a Type-C to Type-C cable. So if your car uses Type-C for CarPlay, you go Type-C to Type-C. If your car has standard USB, you go Type-C to standard USB-A. And you've got that wire as well. Nice size wire, not too long, but long enough, so that's great. And also, I noticed they included this nice little 3M adhesive, so you can peel that off, and you can stick that on the bottom here to stick it to something, which is great because a lot of times in your car you don't want this kind of moving around, or you want to once you got it hooked up and you know it works, you want to kind of stick it somewhere out of the way because you never really have to do anything to it. It just works. And so they give you this little adhesive so that you can put that on the bottom and attach it somewhere. So really great. But yeah, again, this is the Yuveth CarPlay wired to wireless adapter, and 2023 latest model. Tiny little adapter. I love how small it is. And that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, click that like button. If you have any questions, post them down below, but I will be following up with a full review and demo of how this thing works so you can see it in action. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist so you can keep up with all my future videos. And yeah, that is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.